What's up, YouTube? Today I have another video for you guys. We are going to unbox YEEZY's 380s, also known as the Aliens. So let's go unbox it. Okay, close that box. There we go. Right here. There's another colorway in this. I think it's called Mist. This color looked very appealing to me. Okay, first we have the front here, the toe. It's pretty simple. The sides right here. As you can see over here, it's a little like it's turned up. It's not like flat on the heel part. This is like a cloth. Let's look at the bottom, and obviously the boost right here. So this part is like a plastic part right over here. Fingers in the sneaker itself, you can see it. It's like a mesh plastic, and then on the bottom over here is like cloth. Inside, obviously, ADIDAS, YEEZYs. The size 9.5 there. Also, it has the ADIDAS logo right over here. Let's look at the other pair. Oh boy. There we go. That's how these look. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the small little quick review of the YEEZY's Aliens 380s.